don't watch this video if you think that you can do a major home renovation or building all by your lonely self. So, do-it-yourselfers, stop right here. Others, continue listening. There are 3 aspects of your project that must be handled properly for your project to be a success. How do I know it? Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Monika Zasada, and for 25 years, that's a quarter of a century, I have been helping avoid the notorious horrors of home renovating and building: evaporating money, questionable quality, endless construction, and nervous breakdowns. If you watch this short video until the end, I'll give you access to the information in a written format for free. One of the 3 aspects is execution, and execution is best left for your contractor. There are 31 tasks and responsibilities for your contractor to fulfill. For instance, providing enough qualified workforce. Do you really want to be running around screwing things up? So forget about being your own contractor. It ruins your bank account, it ruins your sanity, and it ruins your hair. Look at mine. The next aspect, documentation, must be handled by an architect, meaning drawings like this one, schedules, lists, sketches. Are you equipped to be doing that? Plans, documentation, and sketches is something that protects you and makes sure that you get exactly what you want. What is being executed is what you had in mind. And the last aspect, decision making, is completely up to you. You hold the ultimate power. So make the right decision and